Hi. What am I doing with leftover potatoes, Dean?
Potato patties.
Yes, and it's something that my mom made all the time, and I haven't made them for, what, 25 years? So Thanksgiving's right around the corner. You're going to have leftover mashed potatoes. So here's what I got. If you want to come down here, I put 2 green onions. I put about probably close to a half a cup of cheese for you, Dean.
Beautiful.
I put a 1/4 cup of flour, little salt and pepper, and 2 eggs. Okay? So what you're gonna do is I'm gonna lightly get my hand wet here. And I'm just gonna take, you want them like kind of thick. Now this is pretty sticky. And I didn't want to put any more flour in it because I want it to be potato. I don't want to have a ton of flour in it. So what I do is, and I'm gonna coat them lightly, I'm just gonna sprinkle this flour on here and kind of pat it. And then I'm just gonna put it down. And my hand is all dirty now, but you're gonna take some olive oil and butter and you're gonna fry it. Look at how good this looks.
Looks pretty good.
No, I would like ketchup on it.
That would be a shame.
But I'm gonna try it like this with some sour cream and a little bit of greens from the green onion. Doesn't that look good?
Not bad.
Oh my gosh, I haven't had one of these since we were first married. I used to do it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And this cheese here is Sharp Colby, which is the best cheese, Dean.
Yeah, that's
We are
good.
totally in love with it. And I am in love with this spatula. If you don't have one of these, you have to get one. I have gone my whole life without this spatula. So give it a try. Use your leftovers. Keep smiling.